Cruiser.
If we actually get enough in time.
Yeah, remember when we said we would get enough last time and then we completely failed?
Well, yeah, but
That was hilarious.
I forgot what happened exactly because I.
Moose, you should create the game.
They always create the game, but sure.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying you should, because last time we did it, I think we were in Gory.
Yeah, but it was also good that you guys were on my game because then I could finish that and just close that. And now I have a new game in here. Wait, guys, I'm on day 9 in one of them. What are we thinking? Eh?
Hey, I started one.
Okay,
I kind of already started.
let's go.
Illegal, Igor,
I'm about to
Fire,
shoot my pin.
Enos.
Oh, wait a minute, I just remembered Mingy's here, isn't he? Nope.
Nope.
Mingy gone.
Your life was a lie. He's not even here.
I don't know how I won like 5 of the 6 hands I had in that game. I never once played poker before.
And here comes the pride.
Here comes the
I
sun.
honestly couldn't give a fuck.
Gory,
he has to
you.
take a shower.
Also, funny thing that me and Firestorm realized a couple days ago.
Hey, Moose invited me again.
We recently realized that me and him have been playing one game more than any of us have been playing any other game so far this month.
I don't care.
Alright, so day 1. Oh, how does this... We're gonna like play this actually having radios and flashlights and stuff, or are we just gonna be all 4 of us running in?
Just get the fuck in.
I'm gonna
Get
play
us down,
professionally,
Moose.
but you guys can do whatever you want to do.
And let's do it professionally. Again, Moose. Well, hold up, Moose.
Oh my god, it hasn't even been.
It'll be professional until we get the cruiser.
It hasn't even been 5 minutes and Kenny's already mad.
Don't worry, guys.
Moose.
It'll be professional.
And it's about 2
Only
radios.
with the cruiser.
Okay.
Only without the cruiser. I'm gonna
There's about
run
us
you guys
2 radios. So
Got it.
Alright, let's do this.
that it works.
I'm gonna go through the back. No, back.
Told me if there's any scrap nearby.
Be careful, there's somebody behind you.
Oh, they're going. Yeah, I have the radio. So it should be good as gold. Huh, thought this would be apparatus room based on the size.
There's not a lot in here, if I'm being honest.
It's like very few things. Yeah, couldn't we do a scan of the ceiling?
Oh wait, this way. Another mine.
12 objects, all worth 800 total.
Key. Where are you going? Firestorm,
Hey,
where are
man.
you going? I repeat,
This way. Hey.
I'm going to the fire escape to drop this stuff off.
I was gonna say, I would rather be safe since I'm carrying stuff.
Kind of missing
Follow
stuff.
me.
I lost track of you immediately.
I'm
This
over
is
here on the
standard.
other
A
side.
lot of time.
Oh, I see.
What'd you say?
Fire escape is this way if you want to get out.
Hey, moved around past some stuff down there.
Okay, I'll go back to it later. I have a full inventory.
No.
Dory. It's up here.
Yeah. Oh, you're not coming up? Alright.
Yeah, I'm going back in.
Well, I can't carry all this. Can you help me?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all I can carry.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, wait, the end.
Also, something you can do. Where?
Down here. It fell through a crack. Where? Okay. Wait, what were you gonna say?
Yeah, something you can do is you can hop on the power line and just jump down.
Yeah, you can just.
I'm outside of facility bringing some stuff back with Goy, so I don't know.
Wait, is Kenny staying behind?
Yeah, Kenny's staying behind. He's at the thing. This is how I've been actually talking to people. And once in a while, he decides to stay behind.
Okay. I thought because of the like motivation speech he was giving me when he just said, "Let's just go in."
Dead end.
That was it.
I think we already practically have quota.
Basically.
We definitely have to.
Yeah, we most certainly have quota. Plus whatever Moose brings. Speaking of, we need to get Moose.
Yeah, Moose is walking out right
Yeah,
now.
this is fine. Wait. He said he was just walking out.
Alright. There are 7 objects in there.
Holy shit.
Yeah, there's... If something's coming back. Bracken? Thumper.
Yeah, we have enough.
We have about enough bonus to get back here as well.
I love how in the middle of that you just did a little spin. Like you were just looking around a bit. Alright, back we go.
Where's Kenny?
Come on, soldier.
Where's Kenny?
He's right here.
I'm right here.
Oh,
Yeah, he was the person that was inside during this whole thing.
Yeah.
Maybe
We
we could
are
not.
about set for today.
Yeah, then
No point in...
we already have
killing
quota,
ourselves.
but you know, if we can actually get enough stuff next time, perfect.
Yeah, I mean, we already got 185. We can
Well, I'm
get-
saying like we may be able to get
100 by
cruiser day like quota 2 if we manage to get another what 230. So if
We
we basically do what we did
also have that
today, we only
bonus.
need to do. Oh yeah, oh yeah, plus the bonus. 182.
That's if we don't die, though. Fucking... Our bonus
Don't
would be
forget
so
about the
much
key.
higher for not to die.
I got promoted after that.
Hold on, this place is eclipsed. Let me check the moons.
Ooh, please, can we go to Eclipse? I love Eclipse.
Okay.
It's so fun. Let's
why
go.
do you do this?
I mean,
Why?
Moose, if you
Because
want,
I'm
you
gonna-
can stay inside,
Because
and
I'm
you
gonna
can be the
be in
radio
here and
operator.
just-
Moose, do you want to be the radio operator?
I'm not
Yeah,
a
do
pussy.
you want to be in here?
let's just all go.
Alright. No, one person stays inside.
There
If
you
we're
go.
screwed over, I'd rather
Nice try, bitch. Can't reach me. I'm the gingerbread man. Wait, I just realized there's butlers.
I got past the dog that was outside.
Good.
Oh, same
At the
here.
I
inside.
jumped over. I just realized there might be butlers here, so I just stay behind.
How the hell did
uh,
we get this on a experimentation?
Because it's
So we have the mansion, so we should get a metric ton of money. Then again, it is mansion, so, yeesh.
oh, there's nothing in here.
And Moose decided to run off. Let's hope there's no butlers.
Don't worry, if there's butlers, we just need to stick together, right?
Alright. Moose probably went outside. I did the fire exit knowing him.
Ooh, tattered metal sheet. And there's more. What's this?
That's everything. It's literally only two.
It's still something.
Yeah, so literally the only thing that's left is over here. 10 objects, all with 500 total. Left.
Nothing over there.
That's everything. Literally, we've only gotten 3 tattered metal sheets. So, the 3 objects we found are 3 tattered metal sheets. The cheapest items we could.
Wait, is there something here? Yep, there's another door.
Yep.
However, this door is already open, so maybe Moose went through there and died.
Aw.
Moose?
Oh, Hydra. There's a slime. There's a slime.
Where?
Over here. Like behind us. If you go to the right, there's a slime over there, so be careful.
I wish I had a light, because I cannot see it.
Car engine. You pick it up.
Okay.
Another slime. Go locked. Let's go back.
Yeah. Here, hold on. How about you give me your 2 metal sheets, and then I go back with a full inventory.
It weighs 52.
Slime.
No fuckers.
Couple gotta be leaving.
I guess we just wait until it moves.
Tons of dogs outside.
Oh, great. It's going back.
We kind of need a key for the fire escape, so.
Come on, big boy.
Come on, slime.
Hi, grow deer. Oh, wait, there's another path over there.
Alright, let's go. Be very careful. There's a dog outside and there's some things that he doesn't know.
Okay, let's...
Something apparently lured the dogs away, so be careful.
Maybe we should just go together, you know, split the loot. Because this is a lot.
Yeah. Alright, yeah, it weighs probably a ton.
We should weigh the same. Or roughly.
42. Ouch.
start to book it. Book it.
Grab the key.
Fucking A.
Is that even work?
Oh yeah, probably. Anyways, let's go.
Yeah, go back out. Moose needs help. Moose needs help too.
He does. And what better friend than Firestorm?
Gory, get going.
It just the dog, man. The dog's right outside.
Okay, if you want a new job, lure it away from the ship and the field.
Stupid idea. I immediately missed.
You should make your way back right now.
Damn, after all that, you do a little dance.
Shut up, it was an accident.
Oh, that's so cute.
Dude. Already died.
Who's first?
Flash, make your way back if you can. Moose is here.
Oh my god, can you pick me up and then we do a little dance?
It only gets funnier when you mention it.
Oh, that's so funny.
Shh, 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 shh. It's on his way. Out nearby. Sandworm nearby. Sandworm nearby. Firestorm! Okay, let's fucking leave.
Fucking go. Just go.
Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go.
We got away with that!
God, God.
Fuck you!
Try not to die out there.
You know, out of all the people who wanted to come here, he was the only one that died.
So true though.
Man, that was fun.
You were the only one.
I mean, we got a metric ton of stuff.
I'll be honest, the only reason
Yeah, and we
I
got
really died was
recovered,
because
so we didn't lose
I
much
forgot
profit.
how the ship layout was. I went one way and I thought it would keep going, but
Dude,
immediately
honestly, what you could have done was just go above.
Are we gonna go
I
to
was
Eclipse
water.
again?
I was gonna go do that, but then I fucked up the
Should we do
jump.
Eclipse again, or should we go to somewhere where we ain't gonna die?
Hold on, let me just double check.
Yeah,
There's a lot
because
of other
Stormy
places.
is the worst. Flooded is horrible. I'd rather Eclipsed over those two. Foggy is fine.
Eclipse is
Raining,
fucking
fine.
Awesome.
Yeah. We can either go to Vow, Offense, or March, but if we get caught lacking once, we could all die.
Well, let's go to somewhere a bit safer, like,
No.
I don't know, Val.
Let's do it.
we all, Gory, we all, you want to be able to drive that thing, correct?
I'm probably not gonna get the chance since, you know, I'm counted as the lesser being.
What'd you say?
Dory gets ran over when trying to get the fucking.
Well, we're gonna let him be the first one to drive it.
I doubt that'll actually happen.
All right, you guys get going. I'll alert you.
Yep. Everyone, I'd say try to stay. Actually, no. Who wants to stay nearest to me so if we find something good, I can have you carry it so I can actually talk to him.
Gory can. I'm going to the fire escape.
Hey, Gory.
I had a heart attack. I thought you were a Bracken. Alright, inform me if there's anything.
Hello, fuck yeah.
Pickles.
Something's on its way. Be careful. Bracken, look away. Bracken.
Guys, you both left me, didn't you? Yep, they both fucking left me, of course.
And that's just from me.
Guys, where'd you go?
Alright.
Yeah, you keep your eyes on the stairs.
Brand new penis enlargement.
He went. Yeah, yeah.
$2.99. Get a new penis enlargement bill.
Firestone's dealing with the Bracken right now.
I know.
Sorry, what were you saying? Someone else got here. No, but the Bracken is still following you.
Yeah, they told me about a bracket and then they both left.
Gory, leave.
Okay, fine. Fucking Jesus.
Yep. That must be something else. God, definitely not God's creation. Something's over there. Yeah. Front side.
I saw a creature.
Bring all that stuff here, and then... Yep, probably. I don't think we can, though.
The second I went back, there was a bracken. I went through both.
You're gonna go be on a retrieval mission.
Who died?
He's alive.
Or I could give him the radio and I run back there.
Both of you. We still has lots of monies that we can get.
How
Okay,
much?
great, let's
10
all
objects,
three go.
$700. Whatever.
All three of us should go. Come on.
So we could even save up for the next quarter too. If we try to rush in and get grab.
Can't see.
First one.
You there?
Just gonna quickly run back. I forgot to drop off an item.
There you are.
Hi. It's just baboon hawks.
Nah,
It's just some baboon hawks.
it's stupid. Their
Alright,
existence.
Gory, let's go.
Alright, Gory, you go.
Getting Moose's body and grabbing the rest of the loot. If we get left behind, well, we only lose a radio. And a bit of money, but don't matter.
I'm gonna be honest. Kenny sounds like an absolute douche whenever he's on the radio.
Oh, he's actually pretty nice.
Really?
Like, he's really nice when he's on the radio.
Every time I come back, he's always just like, "Get back, go."
Well, yeah, that's kind of the job of a radio operator. To be like, good job, now run. Let's go. That's a forest keeper.
I know. Say your face. That was something else.
What way? Just a thing. Wall lizard.
Yeah, sure. It's just that.
Open up R2.
Where are you? Where'd you go? I can sense a slime.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Yes. Slime in the way. Crap.
Come on, slime.
Yeah, we're on the I'm on the railing.
I can't. Yeah, whatever.
I got it. Yes. There's a giant outside, so we gotta be careful.
So, just crouch, or should we take the other exit?
11:22, so we have about 40 in-game minutes. I think the plan is just run. Just if it starts chasing you, run like the fucking wind. Try to conserve your stamina. Well, crap.
Well, that doesn't seem fair.
What the
We got
fuck?
so close. We were so close. I wish the thing would give you like a slight just if it was going to end up. It should give you like an extra 10 seconds. We were 5 seconds away from getting on the ship.
Report to the company building immediately to sell your scrap
Alright.
metal and other goods.
Yes.
You have 0 days left to meet the profit
Yes.
quota. You can use
Oh,
the
sorry.
terminal to
Gory.
move out of
Gory.
to the company building.
Gory. You alive?
Yeah. I'm
Wake up.
fine.
It's time to go. 71. Gordon, let's go. Alright, grab everything you can and let's go. Don't jump off. There we go.
And there he dies.
Once we get all the scrap in, we're good. Don't matter who dies after that.
Can't place this.
Is the door open?
Yeah,
Yep.
it is.
The strategy is literally just ring the bell until the thing opens.
The company must stay happy. The
I don't
company
think
must
that's a strategy. I think that's just called spamming a button.
That is a strategy, most because the door won't open until you hit a specific number of times, which is random. Could have to only hit once, or could have to hit literally 20 times. I
think you just
literally
call
had
it
to
a
hit it
strategy.
20 times.
And you
once.
might have to have sex.
Ah,
We have like
a little
we have
over.
504. We have enough
Yeah,
to buy the
500.
cruiser. We gotta go to a good moon to actually use the cruiser.
Alright, what moon should we go to?
What's a nice flat moon?
Titan? Or you can't go to
We
that?
do not
No,
have enough for
That one
Titan,
is
and
too vertical. It's literally useless.
Then we don't have enough for Titan and that. Dine? Rend?
Now?
I'm pretty sure like
Vow would be horrible.
Are we gonna get the cruiser, or are we gonna go to a moon?
What would we say? No, because that itself costs 500, and everything else after that is more expensive. So we got Adamance, Offense, Vow, and Experimentation without having any problems with them.
Alright, I hate to say this, but apparently Embryo is like one of the best maps because of how flat it is. We are not going there.
What's it called though? Yeah, we could so afford it. No, that shit's eclipsed.
Yo,
Um,
imagine running over.
It's that one moon that you brought us to while I was mute.
Imagine running over a bunch of dogs.
And didn't have a mic for a while.
Don't know. I think we went to Adamance, we went to Artifice. Artifice is like 1,500. Oh, so.
Yeah, we can't afford any of those. Fucking. Did we just do experimentation? It's like the only flat thing around, I believe.
Wait, hold on.
Somebody will have to go in and get some things, but others are messing around.
Kind of wish we didn't.
Well,
move, 'cause
I mean, as long as we get like enough money, maybe, and without destroying the fucking vehicle, maybe we can keep it.
An experiment. I guess, works.
Oh, by the way, so
Or you get to drive first. Let
I'll
Gory
go
at least
in.
have a try
I call dip
at
second.
it. Let Gory at least have a try at it.
yep, I call dib second though.
Sure.
Where'd you go? Sorry. Did you just dip? Oh no, there you are.
No, he's like right there.
There was Moose who dipped, alright.
Whoa. It's the car. Floating in the air. Oh man. What? Guys? Guys, are you there? Guys? Guys? Hello? Is anyone there? What happened?
What do you mean what happened?